this entire scenario.
Innocent children like these can become big money in the highly lucrative business of child pornography and prostitution. This is a catalog for pedophiles. There are ads like this. 45-year-old man seeks contact with others interested in adolescent and pre-adolescent boys and girls.
I went out to her as a parent because I knew she had a big fight on her hands.
The children need to know that they must be cautious with their actions.
He said, if you'll be willing to speak out on this, we will help you. But be aware, people do not want to hear that there are organized pedophiles in this country working to do just what happened to your son.
You know, we brought in George Gallup, we brought in Ken Wood, world famous, both of them world famous. And we had seats set up for 500 people. 45 people came. It's unbelievable. The register didn't cover it. No TV stations covered it.
It was so outrageous at the time that somebody would do something to a kid that it was not thinkable. But if they didn't catch the perpetrator, something like this is going to happen again.
Good morning, police hotline. May I help you?
So right now, this is all we have. This is a what I would call a composite description of the 6 witnesses.
You just feel completely lost. You know, you don't know what to do, where to go, who to talk to. It's just like a movie being rerun. That we're watching a movie, except the actors are different. It's exactly the way I felt.
Almost everyone involved thought, okay, this is the same thing. Same thing happened again.
We're working in depth, trying to find a connection. We did not find a connection. The boys were just similar in most aspects other than their gender.